Before School of Code, I had no idea how websites work and how the backend really worked, but now I can create my own website and deploy it within 7 hours. Hey guys, my name is Amrit Matharu and I was pursuing electronics engineering, and currently I'm doing a full stack development course which is coding at IIDE. Basically in college they focus majorly on theory. We used to code a lot on Notepad, which is not right. It won't show you any kind of error if you're wrong. But here at IIDE we use Visual Studios, which tell us where you're wrong, which tell us what needs to be done. It gives you the error, the solution to the problem also. So here at IIDE I've learned how to make apps for mobile. I've learned how to code my own portfolio, code my own CV using JavaScript, HTML and CSS, how to make games using Phaser, and how to make a sound pad using React. The environment here is way better compared to the college, and the communication skills does improve because we have a lot of group assignments. And I would really recommend the School of Code to people who are very curious and very interested in internet. And my goal was to make a website for my dad, and I'm pretty sure I can make it right now.